This is the Motorola Edge 60. It's a brand new mobile phone that launched recently. In this video, you will see the inbox contents, the apps we get in the mobile phone, followed by free storage and some photo samples. After breaking the seals on the backside of the box and opening it, inside we get one more small box. In this small box, we get the paperwork and some stickers. There is no back case is provided in the box. Previously, we used to get a basic back case for some protection of the mobile phone, but I don't know why Motorola removed it. After this small box, we get the mobile phone inside. Keeping this mobile phone aside, below that we get the charger and a cable. This is a Type-C to Type-C cable, and the charger we get in this box is a fast one. It supports 68 watts, which is really great. These days, mobile phones are removing the chargers and saying that they are saving the environment. At some point, it's true, but what about the person who is buying their first mobile phone? Anyways, this arguing never ends. Alright, after removing the paper on the mobile phone, this is how it looks. It feels very comfortable to hold in one hand. On the back side, we get 3 cameras and a flashlight. This is a curved display mobile phone, and I observed that even on the top and bottom side, it's slightly curved. I feel the top and bottom edges while using that space. It feels so satisfying while using. I do a quick setup of this mobile phone, and if in case you want to see how to set up the Motorola mobile ads free, you can check the video that I already posted. This mobile phone is available on different online platforms. You can check the pricing and the offers that you are getting to get the best deal. After setting up the mobile phone, I checked any bloatware applications are there, but no. Only Facebook and some other applications are there. That too, we can uninstall it if in case we don't want. But after connecting to the internet, it started downloading some games and other applications automatically. You can uninstall it after installing, but there is no option popped before installing these applications. I mean, there is no authorization or permission it asked. This mobile I purchased comes with 256GB internal storage and 12GB RAM. Out of 256GB, 12GB is used. This mobile phone out of the box comes with Android 15, and also we get the ThinkShield protection in this one. I checked the camera interface. It looks the same as other Motorola mobile phones. Inside the apps tray, I seen that some Motorola default applications are there. I'll try to make some dedicated videos on how to use these applications and what are the uses of these. I'm having a very good expectation of these mobile phone cameras. I test these cameras and update with you in upcoming videos. But for now, I clicked some photos and here is what they looks like. They are looking good. The details are also good and the text is easily readable after zooming in. You can check the description box for more details of this mobile phone in terms of specifications. But anyways, I'll post a dedicated video in depth about all the things about this mobile phone. So if you don't want to miss those upcoming videos, hit that subscribe button and click the notification icon to the side of it. I really like the form factor of this mobile phone. It's good to hold in a single hand, and even the grip is also very nice. I'm feeling like some kind of leather texture. And by the way, this mobile phone comes with a hybrid slot I forgot to show. That means you can either use 2 SIM cards at a time or 1 SIM card and 1 microSD card at a time. Yes, microSD card option is also available in this one. The first impressions of this mobile phone are very clear. I'm liking this mobile phone now. It feels smooth, premium, snappy and comfortable to hold in a single hand, and also it's light in weight. Let's see in upcoming videos how this mobile phone works for gaming, camera testing and other things, so that I can give you a better verdict whether this mobile phone is good for you or not. So that's the unboxing and first initial impressions of the Motorola Edge 60.